Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn maths very easily. Start with the basics and ensure you truly grasp each concept before progressing. Think of mathematics as building blocks. A weak foundation makes the whole structure unstable. Cultivate a positive attitude, viewing challenges as opportunities to grow. Consistent, daily practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes, is far more effective than cramming. This approach builds confidence and makes learning enjoyable. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. When solving problems, articulate each step as if you're teaching it. Visualizing concepts with diagrams or drawing out problems can clarify abstract ideas significantly. A powerful technique is to explain a concept to a friend or even an imaginary audience. If you can teach it, you truly understand it, reinforcing your own learning. Consistent practice is paramount. Tackle a wide range of problems, starting with simpler ones and gradually moving to more complex exercises. Don't shy away from mistakes. Instead, view them as valuable learning opportunities. Analyze where you went wrong and understand the correct approach. Supplement your learning with diverse resources, such as online videos, different textbooks, or even study groups, to gain multiple perspectives. Apply what you learn to real-world scenarios. This makes mathematics more relevant and easier to remember. When faced with a daunting problem, break it down into several smaller, more manageable steps. This systematic approach reduces overwhelm and builds momentum. Remember, learning mathematics is a journey, not a race. Be patient with your progress, celebrate small victories, and consistently put in the effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.